to the mountains and instead of doing meth, I do marathons. Same fucking thing. Or instead of drinking alcohol, I do martial arts. It's the same thing. We're not going into why you were feeling the need to choose alcohol or why you're feeling the need to, but martial arts is better than alcohol, is it? Can't say that, right? Yes, some things carry inherent certain thing, but no, there's some things that are nullify, neutralize all that. Okay. One more movement pattern. Again, don't stay locked into the movement options that I provide. You can do anything. Pick ones though that you can go to failure. 10 seconds. I'm thinking of that memory. Going. That's good. I'm good. Pretty awesome. And again, listen to me. Get away from the whole uh I'm doing it, I'm not doing it perfect. Or I don't think I'm doing it right. I don't go into it. Go into it, stimulate your body. Done. We just have an approach. We just have something we're doing. And we're going in and we think we kind of understand. Are you going to grab all this? No. This is going to be ongoing forever. Right? Like we're no way. Keep going. But lay off yourself. That's part of you judging yourself as a perfectionist. Do you like that? No. There's a belief reprogramming tool right there. Relationship with yourself. You have a belief that you have to be perfect. Where's that coming from?